What's up guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up and use Vapi AI, a powerful platform that helps developers build voice AI agents using large language models. To get started, go to vapi.ai and click sign up to create your free account. Once inside your dashboard, you can start by creating a new voice agent. Give your agent a name and choose the language model you want it to use. For example, GPT-4 or other supported models. Then configure its personality and tone by writing custom instructions so it matches the voice and behavior you want your users to hear. Next, set up your workflows. Vapi lets you define call flows and conversational logic directly inside the platform so you can handle different scenarios like sales calls, customer support, or personal assistants. You can also choose from a list of pre-made voices or connect your own custom voice for a more branded experience. Once everything is set, you can test your agent right from the browser using the Talk to Assistant feature.
Hi there, this is Alex from Tech Solutions Customer Support. How can I help you today?
When you're satisfied, deploy it to phone numbers, web apps, or even integrate it into your existing systems using Vapi's robust API. Overall, Vapi makes it easy for anyone, even without deep technical skills, to launch advanced voice AI experiences quickly. It's a great tool if you want to automate voice interactions or build a more engaging interactive support system. And that would be all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.